Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scrape leads from Facebook group. Alright, so you want to go to the group which you want to scrape leads from. Alright, so I'm using this group for an example. Alright, so once you're on the group, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go to phantombuster.com. Okay, so there's a video on this channel on how to create an account and start using Phantom Buster. Alright, so make sure you check that video out. So once you're on this page, okay, what you want to do is click on solutions. Okay, so when you click on solution, you want to scroll down to Facebook, click on Facebook. Alright, so right here it says Facebook group members export. Alright, so this is the one we're going to use. Then you click on use Phantom. Alright, so right here it says install our extension to get cookies instantly. Alright, so you want to install the Chrome extension. Alright, click on it, then you click on add to Chrome. Alright, so Phantom Buster has been added. Then you want to click on this extension, scroll down to Phantom Buster and pin it. Okay, so right here it says your Facebook user session cookie. Alright, so you're going to copy your Facebook session here. Alright, then we'll go to Phantom Buster. Alright, then you copy this, you paste it here, then you click connect to Facebook. So Phantom Buster is connected to Facebook. Then you click on save. Alright, so now we're going to copy the group link URL. Alright, this URL right here, you want to copy it and then we'll go back, so we'll paste it. Right, then you click on save. Numbers of members to extract per group, let's just say 10 for the sake of this video. Numbers of groups to process per launch 1, then you save. Alright, so right here it says select launch frequency. If you want to repeat it once, so I'm going to go with once and then launch manually, then you save. Alright, so once you save, what you want to do now is just click on launch. So Phantom is going to try and get your leads from your Facebook group. So all you have to do now is wait. Alright, so as we can see right here it says successful authentication, 10 members extracted. So alright, so we have 10 results right here. Okay, so we have the name, first name, last name, picture link, the group, so additional data, friendship status. Right, so if you click on this link, it takes you directly to their profile. Right, as you can see, it takes you directly to the profile. It shows you additional data, where they work, school, and things like that. So this is basically how to scrape leads from Facebook. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.